The Roma Spider blends modern luxury with the soul of classic Ferrari performance. Engine 4.0L twin-turbo V8 co-developed with Mercedes-AMG, power 656 horsepower, performance top speed of 200 miles per hour. Interior, handcrafted British luxury with cutting-edge digital tech. The new Vantage offers raw power while maintaining Aston Martin's tradition of elegance. Engine 5.0L naturally aspirated V8, power 471 horsepower. Design, bold futuristic styling with Japanese craftsmanship. Interior, refined materials, Takumi, hand-stitched seats, and advanced infotainment. The LC500 is a true grand tourer, combining Japanese artistry with thrilling performance. Engine 4.4L twin-turbo V8, power 617 horsepower, performance 0-60 miles per hour in 3.0 seconds. Interior, luxurious leather, carbon fiber trims, and digital driver displays. The M8 is BMW's flagship sports coupe, offering both brutal power and refined elegance. Engine 4.0L twin-turbo V8 with hybrid assistance, power 671 horsepower, performance track-focused with superior handling. Luxury, motorsport-inspired interior with luxury finishes. The AMG GT Coupe proves that performance and luxury can coexist seamlessly. Engine 3.8L twin-turbo flat-6, power 640 horsepower, performance 0-60 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds. Heritage, iconic Porsche design refined for the modern era.